iOS 27 is currently on its 4th beta, and it's actually looking really good. In my opinion, this is one of the best updates we have gotten in the last few years. Once you have this update installed on your device, you will actually notice how good it works, the performance, the battery, everything is really great. And as I said, we're just on the 4th beta with the 5th beta coming up really soon. So we're going to talk all about that, but we also have some really important new features to talk about that we have been able to discover on the 4th beta of iOS 27. Now before we get into all that, I just want to ask you guys a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoy the videos and you want to see more of them, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel a lot. Now with iOS 27, we have gotten a new feature for Wi-Fi called Connectivity Assist. Basically allows your cellular data to assist your Wi-Fi so that you get a way better experience using the internet on your device. Once you don't have like a really stable Wi-Fi connection or the internet is dropping or something like that, it will automatically work with cellular data to actually improve your connection. And now with the 4th beta of iOS 27, you will actually have that feature within the Wi-Fi networks. So you can choose to individually use that feature or not for a certain network you're connected to. You simply go to your Wi-Fi, so you have the I button at the name of your Wi-Fi where you're connected, and then you will see right here, use cellular data with Wi-Fi. This is basically that same feature. So on the main page of your Wi-Fi networks is basically the kill switch where you can enable or disable it for all your connection. And then if you want to just individually edit it for any of your Wi-Fis, you can do that from here. We also have a new camera setting with iOS 27 Beta 4. If you go here, you will have, of course, the Pro formats from Apple. So when you go to your camera settings and you go to formats right here, then you will have right here the Pro RAW format from Apple. You can see everything here that you can configure. Then if you enable ProRes right here, you will have a new setting called ProRes Log Video Encoding. If you go here, you will have log 1, which is basically just log, and then you have log 2 as well. You can switch between any of them, and you also have a description for each of them right underneath. And we now have automatic downloads for the TV app. If you go here, you will have now the option to enable automatic downloads. And it says the next 2 episodes of the shows you start and continue watching will automatically download. Then you basically will be able to watch them even offline. But what's really cool is that they will be deleted once you finish watching them. So everything is done automatically. So if you use the Apple TV app and you want to have that feature, now you can just enable it right here. Now another really cool thing for Apple TV is the TV widget you have on your home screen. As you can see right here, we have the big widget. It looks really cool. But what we're talking about here is the ability to now actually have the widgets on the light mode. Now previously this would be only on the dark mode. The device is on the dark mode right now, but if we switch to the light mode, as you will see right here now, the TV widget will also support the light mode, which of course is really cool. You don't want to have all dark widgets when you have the light mode enabled on your device. Now on the home screen here, we also have other improvements. We have changes, basically adjustments to the icons for the Wallet app as well as for the App Store app and the Compass app. Not like big changes, but just slight improvements to the liquid glass icons that Apple has added with the new iOS 27. There will be also this like splash screen when you open the Siri search for the first time on iOS 27 Beta 4. An all new Siri, search for anything or start conversation with Siri. This is basically a simple splash screen showing you what you can do from the Spotlight search with the new Siri. And on the preview app, you finally can do this. This is like basically a fun thing to do. So you can just like use this loop or whatever you want to call it just to move it around here and have some fun here on the app with the preview app, which is of course a newer app added on iOS 26, and it's actually kind of fun. And now before we move on and talk about the release date for the 5th beta, but also the 6th beta, because we have a change coming here on the releases very soon, let's quickly take a look here at the battery and the performance on the current iOS 27 beta 4. So here we have the battery usage for iOS 27 beta 4, starting here with Monday, the first day that we have installed this update on the device. You can see over 8 hours there with 85% battery usage, 91% here, almost 8 hours, right here 75%, 6 hours 32 minutes, and then right here 6.5 hours with 81%, 86% here, almost 7 hours. And today we have 20% with 1 hour and 51 minutes. It's actually looking really good. You have to keep in mind that these devices that have the betas right now are just being updated every 2 weeks, and it takes for the update to actually settle in on the device like a week or so. So the best time to actually view the battery usage will be next week and see how it performs, but it's actually looking really good. And we have to keep in mind that we're still on beta and it's only beta 4. We have about 2 months to go until the public release, and it will actually be even better. And the performance is looking really good on everyday use. Everything is super smooth, everything is really fast, and you can actually notice the improvements on the speeds of app loading and websites and all that stuff that Apple has talked about at WWDC 2026. But also it shows in numbers here on Geekbench 6. We have a single core score at 3,834, and we have a multi-core score here at almost 10,000 at 9,985, which is actually really good. Now let's go ahead and talk about release dates, because we have a change here, as I said, coming really soon. Now the release date for iOS 27 beta 5 is expected to be August the 3rd. Now we had beta 4 here on the 20th. This week we will have most likely here the release of 26.6 to the public, so we don't have a beta here, but beta 5 should be released on the 3rd of August. And then from beta 5 to the new beta 6, we will move on to a weekly schedule. Everything of course based on the schedule that Apple has used in the last few years. From beta 5 to beta 6, we move to a weekly schedule. And then you can expect every week until the RC a release a new beta every week. So right here, beta 7, beta 8, and then most likely we will have a pause here, so we will have the RC on the 7th or the 8th of September, and I'm expecting iOS 27 to go out to the public on the 14th of September. So that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.